Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. November 11, 1912 America, New York. In case you missed it, Australian consumer inflation expectations have rocketed higher. Consumer inflation expectations for November were published Thursday by the Melbourne Institute, 4.6% why the Reserve Bank of Australia's repeated assertions of no cash rate hike until 2024 at the earliest are looking increasingly outlandish and untenable.
BBC News Business. November 11, 1908 America, New York. Prison officers, voting with their feet, amid job surge. Driving instructors, prison officers and forklift truck drivers are among the jobs in high demand.
Daily FX Market News. November 11, 1900 America, New York. NZD, USD gyrates at support as economic strength bolsters RBNZ rate hike bets. NZD, USD clings to support after greenback strength pushed the pair lower. However, the Kiwi economy continues to recover, evidenced by today's business PMI print.
Forex Live. November 11, 1854 America, New York. Biden's Fed chair decision coming soon. Lael Brainard is more aligned with Biden's economic agenda. U.S. President Biden is expected to announce his Federal Reserve System chair decision ahead of U.S. Thanksgiving, in the last week of November, up on Lael Brainard's prospects. Forex Live. November 11, 1835 America, New York. ECB's Lane and Fed's Williams are both speaking on Friday the 12th of November 2021. European Central Bank Chief Economist Lane is speaking as part of a panel at 1350 GMT, following at 1710 GMT as Federal Reserve Bank of New York President John Williams.
Google Business News. November 11, 1826 America, New York. News. Woman charged for selling 6.5 million yen in unauthorized Demon Slayer cakes. Forum, Anime News Network. News. Woman charged for selling 6.5 million yen in unauthorized Demon Slayer cakes. Forum, Anime News Network.
Forex Live. November 11, 1825 America, New York. The UK and Iran met Thursday ahead of the resumption of nuclear talks this month. Talks on the Iran nuclear deal halted 4 months ago and are set to recommence on November 29. Iran's deputy foreign minister and lead negotiator, Ali Bagheri Khani, met in London on Thursday with the UK's Foreign Office Minister James Cleverly.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. November 11, 1804 America, New York, about those fossil fuel subsidies. Is failure to tax a subsidy? In a comment on Brian Kaplan's recent blog post titled, I Win My Climate Shock Bet, November 9, 2021, Better Daniel Reeves writes.
Daily FX Market News. November 11, 1800 America, New York. S&AMP. P500 ekes out small gain to rebound from Wednesday's decline, consumer sentiment data eyed. The S&AMP. P500 gained just 0.06% on Thursday as markets sought to rebound from Wednesday's abrupt decline.
Forex Live. November 11, 1750 America, New York. Japan Q3 GDP shrinkage data due Monday, to be followed by more stimulus announcement later in the week. Data for economic growth in Japan in the July to September quarter is due on Monday the 15th of November 2021 local time. #GDP, preliminary, capex, external demand and private consumption are all estimated to have fallen on the quarter. Forex Live. November 11, 1715 America, New York. 1/3 of China's SMIC board of directors has resigned, effective immediately. Semiconductor Manufacturing International County, SMIC, is China's largest contract chipmaker. If I get any more info I'll post it up. Forex Live. November 11, 1644 America, New York. Forex Live America's FX News Wrap. Dollar continues its move higher. Forex news for North American trading on November 11, 2021. The North American session was slowed a bit due to the Veterans Day holiday in the US and in Canada Remembrance Day.
Armstrong Economics. November 11, 1641 America, New York. Market Talk. November 11, 2021. Asia. The major Asian stock markets had a mixed day today. Nikkei 225 increased 171.08 or 0.59% to 29,277.86. Shanghai increased 40.32 or 1.15% to 3,532.79.
Forex Live. November 11th. 1637 America New York. Trade Ideas Thread. Friday the 12th of November 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so. Forex Live. November 11th. 1630 America New York, New Zealand. Business NZ Manufacturing PMI for October 54.3, prior 51.4. New Zealand data. Lockdown impacted. More to come. Forex Live. November 11th. 1618 America New York, New Zealand to issue a sovereign, green, bond in 2022. The NZ government announced it'd be issuing a green bond. These are used to fund environmental and our climate initiatives and transitioning to a low-carbon economy. Forex Live. November 11th. 1604 America New York, mixed results for the major indices today. Dow Industrial Average down for the third consecutive day. The final numbers are showing.
Wall Street Journal Markets. November 11th. 1548 America New York. Another Bitcoin futures ETF bites the dust. Bitwise Asset Management late Wednesday withdrew its proposal to roll out a Bitcoin ETF this month, the company said in a regulatory filing.
Forex Live. November 11th. 1548 America New York. Economic calendar due from Asia today, not a lot. 2130 GMT New Zealand. Business NZ Manufacturing PMI for 100430 GMT Japan. Tertiary Industry Index meter per meter for September. This economic indicator basically measures the total value of services.
Daily FX Market News. November 11th. 1530 America New York, NZD, USD remains vulnerable amid failure to defend November opening range. NZD, USD may continue to depreciation over the coming days as the exchange rate fails to defend the opening range for November. Daily FX Market News. November 11th. 1530 America New York, Central Bank Watch, BOC, RBA, and AMP. RBNZ Interest Rate Expectations Update. Market pricing for the BOC and RBA has been dragged forward in recent weeks, while the outlook for the RBNZ is extremely aggressive.
Forex Live. November 11th. 1523 America New York. Dow dips toward lows as the day moves to the close. Dow 30 stocks are down 141 points or minus 0.39%. The Dow 30 stocks are dipping toward their lows of the day as the day comes to a close. The index is currently down minus 145 points or minus 0.40% at 35,936.